type shit. Good morning. Hope that you're all well. Wait, I'm not thinking. This is primary buy side. Hope that you're all well. Yesterday's trade, bro. Disaster. I'll show you guys now. Disaster. Um. Disaster. Let me show you. This is what happened. Bro, all the targets, bro. And I did say these are gonna get hit. Okay, this didn't get hit. But these, the first for value gaps, and then look where it turned. That's not a coincidence. It's the primary source out. Bro. But today's, thank God it's Friday, so we've been in an uptrend this entire week. Hopefully we can catch some sales today. We're already selling off. This is minor buy side. Okay, today we don't wanna. It's depressing, bro. Yesterday was just depression on steroids, bro. And hopefully today we can recover. If not, I'm not gonna take a trade. Cause hey man, we're currently down. Not gonna. Okay, the account is still a bit in profit, but yeah, we down bad, bro. This is minor. This is minor sell side. We wanna see price sell at market open, 70% of the area. There we go. So the midpoint of this. Oh, it's not there yet. It's not there yet. It's not there. Oh, forgot to put my phone on D&D. This is minus outside. Bro, where's this? Oh. We have minus outside. We have these lows right here. We have okay, these are not relatively equal. We have this opening range gap. We have a big opening range gap with, see how many pips this is. Probably like 200. So market might be a little bit iffy. We have news at 10. So low-key might not trade. I bruh. I think we're gonna take out this minus outside and market open. This one. And let's see we'll reach the midpoint of this. We have these lows. The sell side. Let's see we reach the midpoint before 10. Sell side. We took out the minor sell side. We got sell side liquidity. We got the midpoint. We have this low right here. We got these lows right here, and we have the first fair value gap of yesterday, the one that I was not so sure of. Still not, but I'ma just use it in the meantime. To be honest, we got this outside right here. So today's, thank God it's Friday, and we have this outside by the end dog. So these are my targets. Dude, that is president shit the bed. let's see. These lows, but that's a bit much. There's a big opening range gap. Let's just see what the price wants to do. It's a lot of. Hopefully it doesn't confuse you guys. I'm just gonna say this is a primary. Let me stop here. We have these lows on the SP 500. Wait. The weekly. Wait. This over here and 30 to 40 between this, if you were to retrace, weekly retracement, so that's like here more or less. But hey, we took out this minor sell side. I don't on the SP, I think we're about to take, yeah, we took it out as well. Now we have these lows, this low, it's all the way down here on the Nasdaq. That's the 5 minute. We have this sell side, this sell side, this. I mean, we've been, the trend of the day, we've been selling. I mean, we were buying, but past few minutes, selling. We're in a downtrend. Excuse me. Oh, we have news at 10. Doesn't really matter, but bro, let's go. Yeah, this opening range gap is big, bro. 200 pips. Today I doubt the 50%, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I really do. Still waiting on the first fair value gap. Probably can beat this one. Break of structure. Took out this low, this high. We have this minor high right here. We have these right here. I think, wait. Let's see. Oh, nice. This is the London low, high. Bet. Let's see what the market wants to do. Respecting this fair value gap. I mean, we came to this. Ready? Yeah, this. And we tanking, bro. I want to see price break this. Let's see. Run back to the open range gap high. Then we should see price go lower. I mean, look at this, bro. So pretty. With all this mess, we've been in a downtrend. We got the news. Ooh, close enough. Respected the midpoint of that wick. See that? Hey man, might be a buy day. Let's just wait. We're still waiting on the first fair value gap of the day. And yeah, the macro, and just wait. I generally don't see the sell here. This is a big opening range gap, dude. It's a huge one. And usually when there's such a big one, sometimes price is iffy. It's lackluster. It's a lot of back and forth, and doesn't usually fill it. Well, not now. Let's see, will it respect the midpoint of this value gap like it did here? This could be our first value gap. Gonna wait and see. Nice. How much time is left? 30 seconds. Let's see what we go above it. Check out all the people that short this morning during the London session. We have this minor. Let's see what price took out this minor buy side. Then we have this. As well. And we got this. Let's see what price uses for value gap. To go for buys. Let's see what we tap into it and respect the midpoint. Ooh, might tap into, yeah. And then take this out. Come on, bro. That's what we want. That's what we want. Let's see when we come back to this. use it. Or low-key enter a trade of this. I'm not gonna lie, bruh. It looks so clean, bro. I'm telling you, bro. And it's gonna go high, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's gonna buy. That's the macro times. We're about to buy. We're about to buy. This would have been an ideal entry. Taking out the minor and this as well. I'm telling you, bro. But I'm not gonna rush anything. Gonna be patient. So ideally this would have been an entry longs using this. Using it coming into this. And then this are stops. This and then for that. Let's see. Does price respect the midpoint of this? They'll give us just more confirmation. Any price came back into this fair value gap. You see that? This one. Respecting the midpoint of that. I'm not so confident, so I'm just gonna wait and see. Do we go below this fair value gap, or do we respect the midpoint? Because we respected the midpoint of this. Let's see. Are we gonna use this as an inverse fair value gap? Patience pays, bro. Patience pays, bro. My God. Patience pays, bro. Let's see if we leave a body outside of this, are we gonna come back and tap into it? Send price higher. I mean lower, sorry. Take out these lows. And also, wait, we wouldn't have gotten stopped out if we were studying this trade. But obviously, bro. Let it cook. Get ready for sales, bro. I know we're selling. Can't do me dirty like yesterday. Please don't make it. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, bro. Wait, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Bro, imagine getting stopped out prematurely, bro. Oh my days. We would have been stopped out prematurely. Look at that. Let's see, does it respect this fair value gap? Nah, be selling, bro. Be selling, bro. What the fuck, bro? The sales just make sense, bro. Okay. I'm not taking any buys that up. TGIF. That's the thing about all-time highs, bro. It's shaky shorting all-time highs. Or when price keeps just going higher, pumping. pumping. It's mentally, it just gets you. But let me just wait and see what price wants to do, or let me just wait for the macro. Actually, I'm gonna wait for the macro and see. Just gonna be patient. Let's see what happens. So respected the, yeah. Damn. Respecting the midpoint to the bro, look at this. Look at this. And we keep bouncing off the opening range gap. We just, bro, we need a body below that. But look at this. Can't make it up, bruh. But let's see what it hold. We need a body closer. And then a retest. And then we're selling. That's what I want to see. There we go. And then we're gonna have a wick just touching. Oh my god, bro. You're gonna wait for the macro. I'm gonna keep quiet now. Bro, if I had taken any trade by now, I would have stopped out. I would have been stopped out. I'm not gonna lie. So it's just important to wait for the macro. Just wait for the macro. Sometimes, not all the time. I've lost beautiful opportunities just because I waited for the macro. I'm not gonna lie. Depends. But plus there's news too. But it's an orange folder. It's not that deep. Price went back to this fair value gap, respecting the midpoint. Literally, bro. This could be a sign of what? Bearish movement. And it's coloring outside the lines of this fair value gap, a mohawk coming to what? This one. And respecting the midpoint. Can't color outside the lines. I mean, look at this one. We're just moving. We want to see a. We keep creating a higher. We just have a down market. What do you call it? A higher high or higher low? A higher low. Yeah. We're right here on the. Back to the midpoint on the US 30. We in the macro. We have a what? A minute in the macro. So it's gonna be patient and wait what price wants to see what price wants to do. We have these relative equal highs. Price respecting the midpoint of this wick. Nice. If I'm gonna go short, I'm gonna wait for price to go below this first fair value gap. If we're going short. Low key shorts or nothing. If we're gonna go for buys, I'm good, bro. I'm good, bro. We went back touching the opening range gap high. I'm having another reaction out of it. Oh, we selling, bro. I'm telling you, bro. and we want to see after this candlestick closure, will we get a retest into this first fair value gap? Also this, we have so many biases. Also this fair value gap, the opening range gap, maybe get like an immediate rebalance, and then I'll enter with the wick that's just going up. Then my stops would be go up, go up, go up, selling. I went in for shorts. First TP, this one. Second TP. I'll show the trade. Let me screen record this. Second TP, this one. And then my runner, TP2, it's gonna be this one, but I'll put it like here. Actually, I'll let it join this one. Currently in profit now. There we go. So trade, you'll see the trade. I entered off this right here, short. I entered off that. Stop loss right. I low-key want to put it above the midpoint of this week, but I just figured I just put it all the way up here. And then my TP1 is this. Still recording. TP1 is this, as you guys can see here. And then TP2 is all the way down here. That is, no, this is TP2. Yeah, that's it. I'll probably leave that one for a runner if it is gonna close the gap, maybe for all the way down here. But for now, I'll just leave it here. Not to be greedy, we'll just see how the market flows. Let's go. Oh my days. TP1. Wait, come on, bro. Close. Yo, it didn't even take me out. It literally kissed it. Okay, let's just let it do its thing. Bro, it doesn't want to hit TP1, bro. Yo, bro, it doesn't want to hit TP1. That's a big candle. TP1 hit. There's like a light $86, and then the rest is gonna let it do its thing. TP1 hit. Now, if you want to see how we're gonna go all the way down, to the London low right here. Currently up 200, and yeah, man, let's see. I'll probably leave this one for maybe this. I'll probably take out one and then let it run for partials. So I'll just do that and then let it run for partials after that. Yeah, I'll screen record the rest as it later as it's going, but it's melting right now. They tell you, bro, we want sells today, bruh. Yo, let's go. What did I miss when I was cooking with y'all? Wait, that's actually risky. Wait. What's the 50% of this? It's like here. for safety, I'm gonna move the 50% of this wick. I'm gonna move it. Wait. Best case scenario, I know we're gonna reach this, the first value gap, so just above that. So just above that. So agreed. Okay, we're just gonna let the trade play out until the macros open. We have 3 minutes until news, so it's either news is gonna stop us out or it's gonna continue melting. We have this for value gap. Let's see what price respect that. Oh damn, the screen recording is still going. Let me close it because it's gonna be long. Let's get the SP 500. We also took out this low on the SP 500. US 30. We're consolidating. So we're probably waiting for the NASDAQ and SP maybe to catch up. We're having a bit of a retracement there. We have news in 2 minutes. I haven't moved my stops. I haven't done nothing. So let's see what happens. We have a minute until news. Going back to not TP. We're going back to the first fair value gap. Let's see what we retested. And probably price will just push down. I'm gonna hold it and see what happens. We have news now. It's pushing price down. Let's see what happens. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, that candlestick got me so excited when it dropped, bro. The first one. We're back at this for value gap. Let's see, are we gonna respect it or we're gonna go below it? So it's like this. Respecting that midpoint. We want to see it smash through it and not respect it, because then you're just showing us it wants to go higher. There we go. Going back to the entry. Yo, it almost stopped me out, bro. Yo, that was a fast movement. Let's see what market wants to do. Literally almost stopped me out. Let me screen record that. Or it might stop me out. Look at this, bro. Literally that wick almost stopped me out. This one. If I had put my stops here, I know these brokers would have took me out, bro. That's why I did what I did. So 50% of that this week didn't enrich it. We went back into the first fair value gap, respecting the bottom half of it. Let's see will it keep that up, or if not, disrespect that. Let's wait and see. Let's see what price wants to do. We have this minor sell side right here. I think if you break this low, I'm gonna put the trade on break even. So we took out this, and I'm gonna put the trade right here. If it is that we break this, I'm gonna say break even. I don't really believe in going break even, but just for the sake. Break even when we break this low. Still in the trade. Was a good call to move my stops there. Yo, bro, experience, bro. I would have been stopped out. I promise you, I know this. We're still respecting the midpoint of this week. Not the midpoint, but we just need our body below it. Probably gonna use it as an inverse if it is that we're gonna go down. Be pushing down. We're struggling. See the body. Struggling, bro. To come in that. Bro. Let's see what we respect the midpoint of this week. This is giving me PTSD of what happened yesterday, bro. Back at my entry. And nice reaction. Let me see what this wants to do. Bro, we're just consolidating, bro. Come on, NASDAQ. If I lose this trade, we're gonna be break even. On day. Ooh, that's a nice down candle. But we're just playing around my entry, bro. My entry's literally here. Literally here. And we're respecting this fair value gap. It's like my op right now. Back at my entry. Back at the entry. Back into the first value gap. Let's say we're gonna respect the middle, the bottom half of it, and then opening range gap high. Yeah. Bro, this is literally yesterday's redo, bro. Low-key hate all-time highs, bro. Almost got stopped out. About to get stopped out. Got stopped out. Break even on the day. Literally break even. Literally. Bro. It's gonna probably go for buys, bruh. The last minute of the macro. Let's see how we're gonna use this as midpoint. I said immediate rebalance. Nope. We lost that. Break even on the day. So price is respecting this. He's using this for buys. If it is that we want to see price go higher, we gotta break body over this, tap, and use it to go higher. So this would have been an ideal trade if you were to use this for value gap. Obviously TP1 right there, TP2 runner. I want to see if we just come We leave our body, immediate rebalance. There we go. Should I go for buys? Wait. Oh, it's too late, bro. It went too high. Come back. I'm just gonna go for buys because of this. Leaving it, coming back in. Bro, and I can't even re-enter, bro. I was gonna use this. I was literally about to re-enter, go for a buy here, but it happened so fast, they didn't give me a chance. The minor buy side got tapped. Let's look at the SP. Let's see what we tap into that. Went in for a buy using that. Stop loss is yo. Wait, what? I went in for a buy using this. Literally in drawdown right now, using just one size. I think it's this one. I'm not quite sure. Is it this one or this wick? So this wick right here. That's too much. We're back into the first fair value gap. No, that's a bit much. I'm just gonna put it here. What about this? This fair value gap. This one might be a problem, but I'm gonna put it, honestly, I'm gonna put it here. Tapped into the midpoint. We want to see price expand higher. We want to see price it's gonna be a cool $118. So this is the trade that we went for, but just using one contract size. These ones. Yeah. TP1, TP2, but only there's just one, so if it does come back, we'll add one. Let's do that. we are risking a lot, so let's see what happens. Using this, transparency, bro. If we lose this, bro, I'm not trading next week, bro. Well, I am. So you can't in drawdown right now. We're going back into the first fair value gap after we tapped into this minor. Wait. Wait. That doesn't make sense. This one's supposed to be, yeah. And this one. Stop loss is about to get hit. And we do have this fair value gap here. This one. But we want to see price respect this midpoint. So I'm here. This midpoint. And then we have like an auto block right here. Currently in drawdown. Bad drawdown. Horrible entry. Low key. If you ask me. So this is 116. 100. I look want this one to be up here. As we take out partials there. Look at that risk reward 90. Bro. Hell no. Hell no. That risk reward did not make sense. Wait. Yeah, that risk reward did not make sense. Respecting the midpoint of the first value gap. Loki just gonna let the trade run, dude, to these highs. Because this risk reward does not make sense. This is TP. Bro, this back and forth, bro. I'm gonna hop off in like 5 minutes. Stop loss is right over here. Right below here. Stop loss. It's going for it, bro. Bro. respecting the midpoint. Bro, this is low-key a problem. The mental toll on me, bro. You keep respecting the midpoint. This is just bad price action, bro. I don't even know what to do. Gotta let it play out. 2 minutes. Low-key grinding down. The chop is real. The chop is real, bro. Bro, we have the worst entry. Look at that, bro. I didn't think that was gonna continue going. But now since you took out this minor buy side, it's confusing as hell, bro. I'll be off in 3 minutes. So I'll leave this on for Monday to see if the trade panned out or not. Yep. But it wants to go for that stop loss, but I know it. So hopefully this pans out, or either this pans out or we have a W day or a loss day. We break even so far. So and also respecting to see this for value gap. This one. The small little one. Right here, this one. This one. Keep respecting this midpoint. I wanna see price go above this again. Literally where my entry is. Wait, I might get stopped out. Let's just wait and see. Yep. It's like something is forcing it down. Respecting the midpoint once again. Yeah, that's just devastating, bruh. There we go. Would have stopped me out there. Got stopped out. Yeah. 891. Lost 145. Bro, these cells, bro. Yeah, that's it for me, chat. I'm done. Done. I'm gonna test and go down. I'm gonna put my money on it. Test. Sell. Yeah. We went from break even to even worse. What time is it? Yeah, I'm done, bro. And I promise you now it's gonna do, bro. If this thing sells, bro. Anyways, bye.